Smell good?
Yeah.
수삼띠, 수삼띠, 하 수삼띠.
Yayo. Yayo. Yayo.
Which way do we have to go, Aria?
You have to go that way. Look, there is a red mark there. Tyler, lead the way.
Okay.
So, as I'm a little kid. I can do that.
Oh.
I can do that because I'm a little kid.
Oh.
The ball has to jump over. We're going to hiking, and we need to find red spots, but the pond seems like it's here, but no. So we have to find more red stickers on the trees. So now we're going this way. So there's a red mark there. So we're still going this way. It's all over ours. What's happened on frats? First I got a flower. Here is my flower. Yeah. There's the flower. And also, let me smell it. Here you go, guys. You smell it. Okay, I don't smell it now. It tastes similar, just a milk. Your sense of smell. But we still have to find that red dot. Can you help us find it? Yes. Okay, so you don't know where the red spot is, then we'll send icing for it. Send icing? So where's the send out? We just went with the 10 out of 9. Okay, so where's the red spot? Let's see.
Brennan, hi. Hi. Cheese. Cheese.
Cheese. And so we're looking and finding white spots now. So you don't find
Okay, hold on.
Okay. Hey guys. Hey, Dad.
Did they touch it? Oh, okay, go. Mama touch it. Okay, good.
No, it's touchy. 10. But we could grow rocks in there. Right? Like it's really pretty green. Let's get closer to the one.
Ui,掉.掉. Đâu rồi掉? Go. Bye bye. Thank you.
One. Go. Yay! Brandon, go. Why are you going the hard way?
Today. For me? Over.
Okay, let's take a little break.
A few moments later.
Oh my gosh, I get everything. Today.
I'm so. How do I know? There's a Kinder Egg. There's a Kinder Egg. I got a Kinder Egg. Yay! I got a Kinder Egg. Kinder Egg. Kinder Egg.
No, today no. Yeah, let's take a look. Go. I see another one nearby. That one.
Where?
There's another one. You have to look. You have to look at like the chairs, the tables. Did you check all the chairs? Oh, what do we have there?
What?
What do we have there?
What?
In the door.
Something.
Okay. I think that's it, guys. Well, yeah, look how many you got. That basket is so full.
I'll have more cookies.
Right there.
No.
It's okay. You can have one right in the middle. Thank you, Tite. Thank you. Ooh.
Okay, yes it. Cheese. Cheese. Hi, Jay. Hi. That one's looking at us. Hey. What are you doing?
Oh, there's more animals there.
There's donkeys over there.
Hi.
Hello, Sophia. Hi. He uses ears to say hi.
Donkey. My wowo. Donkey.
Hey, why are you following us? We're not gonna give you food.
You don't have to.
Why did you bring food?
Lila always does the tours with me. She does everything with me. Mom, okay, Mom.
Hey!
Maybe you guys need a dog. She's actually afraid of dogs, and she wouldn't pet a dog until now. Seriously. Oh, Lila's a good dog to pet. She's so nice. It's the first dog she's pet. Wow. Wow, yeah. Lila's an old lady. She's 11.
I didn't even pet one, and I didn't even pet one too. Come on, Noah! Mama, Mama,
Mama nga, yes.